from Caloocan City Business High School, headed by Dr. Lilia R. Gondran. At this point, we are fortunate to have Caloocan City's extremely supportive and committed leader to offer his congratulations and inspirational words. Dear graduates, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Dale Gonzalo Along R. Malapitan.
Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Jenny Rose Corpus, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Warren Ramos, sa ating mga principals, Dr. Lilia Gudran ng Caloocan City Business High School, Dr. Maria Teresa Torres ng Vicente Malapitan Senior High School, at Miss Flora Tiope ng Horacio de la Costa High School. Sa ating kinatawan, Congressman Oka Malapitan, sa ating mga faculty members, non-teaching personnel, mga magulang, panaguhin, at sa lahat na magtatapos mula sa Caloocan City Business High School, Vicente Malapitan Senior High School, at Horacio de la Costa High School, congratulations. Mababawasan na ang mga magtatanong kung may pasok ba. Mababawasan na rin ang mga mambabash kapag hindi ako nakapag-suspend ng klase. At mababawasan na rin ang mga magre-request ng walang pasok kahit umakambong pa lamang. O kahit konting init pa lang ang nararanasan. Joke lang. Today marks the end of a chapter in your lives, but it also represents a new beginning. Nag-survive kayo sa grade school. Next, welcome to college life. Dito ninyo marirealize kung paano kayo inihanda ng mga karanasan ninyo sa mga nakalipas na taon upang maging mas matatag na mag-aaral. Hindi na pwede dito ang konting init lang, walang pasok. Dahil nga ba, sabi ng mga college students, ano daw ba ang tingin ko sa kanila? Solar panels. Hindi rin pwede ang konting ulan lang, wala na agad pasok. Nabasa ko sa comment ng isang college student sa Facebook ko, ang sabi, ano daw ang akala ko sa kanila? Waterproof o may submarine kapag pumapasok? But these are the realities of college and the world after college. At susunod na yung tunang inyong buhay ang maghahanda sa inyo sa totoong mundo. Pag nagtatrabaho ka na, susumin mo talaga ang init, ulan, at baha, makapasok ka lang sa trabaho. So whatever challenges that may come your way, accept and overcome them with courage and grace. Palagi ninyong isipin na training yan sa mga kakaharapin ninyo. Your next chapter is also about making choices that could potentially define the rest of your life. Choose wisely. Maging matalino kayo sa pagpili. Piliin ninyo kung ano ang hilig ninyo. Kung ano yung tingin ninyo na makakabuti para sa inyo at sa kinabukasan ninyo. Kung ano yung passion ninyo, yun ang piliin ninyo. Kung papasok kayo sa klase, iinom kasama ang barkada, magpupuyat sa Mobile Legend o magre-review, magti-TikTok o gagawa ng project. The choice you'll make will define how will you spend the rest of your lives. Don't give in to peer pressures or to our society's pressure. Okay lang naman mag-TikTok. Basta, i-follow nyo ako at halong malapitan. Pagkatapos, gawin na ninyo yung project ninyo. My dear graduates, you need to balance everything. Dahil sa college, madalang na lang ang mga professor na maghahabol sa inyo at makikiusap na mag-aral ka dahil bumabagsak ka na. Alam ko, sa mga nakalipas na taon, marami sa mga guru ninyo ang may mga ganyang malasakit sa inyo. Pero sa college, your professors are expecting that you know better, that you will choose the better choice. With this, let me reiterate that you have done a great job. At tiwala naman ako na patuloy kayong magsusumikap upang patunayan na ang bawat batang kakalo ay magaling, maabilidad at may pakialam sa lipunan. Sa pagtatapos ninyong ito sa senior high school, sana ay mas maging masigasig kayo sa pag-abot ng inyong mga pangarap. Maniwala kayo sa akin, walang mataas o malayong pangarap. Basta may tiyaga at determinasyon ka sa buhay. At kapag nangyari yun, bumalik kayo rito, pasalamatan ang inyong mga guro. Balikan nyo rin ang mga kaibigan ninyo at ang lungsod natin. Gayun din, ang mahigpit na bilin ko sa bawat isa sa inyo, huwag ninyong kalimutan ang inyong mga magulang sa bawat hakbang na inyong tatahakin, lalo na kapag nakamit na ninyo ang mga pangarap ninyo. Huwag kayong mag-alala, kami sa pamahalaang lungsod ay handa rin umalalay sa inyo sa pagtupad ng inyong mga pangarap. Mayroon tayong libreng edukasyon sa University of Caloocan City na may iba't ibang kurso. Pinagkabat din po natin ngayon at sa darating na pasukan na magkaroon ng College of Engineering at pagkalipas ng 1 o 2 taon, magkakaroon na rin tayo ng College of Medicine and Health Sciences. Para sa mga gusto mag-abogado, may College of Law din po tayo dyan sa UCC. Ngayon, itinatayo na rin ang Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Caloocan Campus. Halos libre na rin dito dahil 12 pesos bawat unit lang ang kailangan bayaran. Ang tinitiyak ko po sa inyo, my dear graduates, and to our proud parents, napakarami nating programa at proyekto sa pamahalaan ng lungsod na mapapakinabangan ng lahat ng batang kakalo. Ang mga itinatayong government center, legislative building, Hall of Justice, Caloocan North City Hall at iba pang proyekto pang infrastruktura, lahat po ito ay para sa inyo. Batch 2024, you made it. Sana ay patuloy kayong maging masigasig at sabik sa mga bagong karanasan. Aral at maglalakbay ninyo. Life is one great adventure anyway. Again, congratulations, Batch 2024.
Thank you so much for that very inspirational and motivating words. Once again, dear graduates, Honorable Dale Gonzalo Along R. Malapitan.
RJL Manegudos with honors. Dana Laura B. Balgalero with high honors. Darius James H. Bassett. Venice Marie V. Milardo with honors. Warren M. Cajara. Ken Charles P. Contreras with honors. Angelique L. Cos. Micaela P. De Jesus with honors. Richie H. De La Peña with high honors. Dana Marie C. De La Torre with high honors. Chanel Messiah S. Delfino with honors. Lord Castor I. Dizon with honors. Jomar B. Dolian Sheska M. Hala with high honors. John Brian B. Lulon. Edgardo P. Machoca Jr. Daniela Nicole H. Navas with honors. Leslie Angel M. Nardo with honors. Justin James C. Paladan with honors. Keisha Nicole D. Petate with high honors. Moriana Victoria Pico with high honors. Princess Nicole D. Kiligan with honors. Daryl Ramirez. John Gabriel Ramirez with honors. Emery Grace D. Roldan with honors. Sophia Camille D. Roldan with honors. Ralph Christian J. Roque. Mark Sally D. Sabatisto. Jeremy L. Sarong with honors. John Mark D. Sarong with honors. Jimuel L. Tambanillo. John Rain R. Valenzuela. Ayana Bel M. Verdejo with honors. Krishna Sayuri M. Villarreal with honors. Mark A.L. B. Villarreal with honors. Princess Hazel B.C. Villasana with honors. P.D.P. Villarosa with high honors. May I call on the advisor of Grade 12 General Academic Strand, Mr. Sammy E. Marcos.
Thank you so much po to our City Mayor, Honorable Dale Gonzalo Along Manapitan, and also to our Caloocan City's First District Representative, Congressman Oscar Akaji Malapitan.
Let's give them a big hand.
At this point, we shall proceed to our ceremony.
It is my honor to present to you the graduates of Grade 12 General Academic Strand. Juan Miguel P. Abundo. Gino C. Agabao. Lord Allen G. Amante with honors. Mark Justin G. Bacolor with honors. Vincent P. Bautista with honors. Jose Maria M. Galason. Janelle T. Bacolor. Aaron Carl G. Briones. Clint Justin M. Calderon with honors.
Anne S. Pia. Mary Joy G. Poloy with honors. Joshua Ivan Bustos. Markel Tipaya L. Cardon Miss Case F. Bagalanon with highest honor. 2024 Regional Schools Press Conference, first place, Tagpuan ng Larawan, National Qualifier. Magdalene Joyce P. Bañadera with high honors. Josena Misty L. Barcia with honors. Joshua Kaiser M. Basina with honors. Whitney R. Villanes with honors. Edric D. Casilia. Maria Virginia C. Cruz with high honors. Shania M. Sigoy with high honors. Alicia Hart P. Terrare with high honors. Maria Mira B. Galido with honors. Ronnie M. Gonzalez with high honors. Laz Rainy M. Hara with honors. Bridget Andrea A. Lane with honors. Zavi L. Largo II with honors. Daniel Eris B. Lopez with high honors. Metratrix Macas with high honors. Gerard Angelo B. Malo with high honors. Jana Rose C. Mendoza with high honors. Lalez Jamila D. Mendoza with honors. Dwayne G. Mirones with honors. Quezon A. Notabla with honors. Sheer Tricia C. Oña with honors. Jamalia M. Provido with honors. Paul Benedict E. Polido with honors. Bea T. Ising with honors. Jelly Ann R. Ramos with honors. Nicole Gail Rosada with honors. Liana C. L. Ruayana with high honors. Donna Marie J. Santos with high honors. Kenneth D. Sosas with honors. Jessel Ann P. Mineral with honors. Congratulations, 12 STEM. They call on the class advisor of grade 12, Home Economics Track, Dr. Noemi L. Verdon.
It is my honor to present to you the graduates of grade 12 Technical Vocational Livelihood Track, Home Economics Grant, Section A. John Rachel B. Abad with honors. Bianquel Kathleen B. Amodia. Jamie Ann B. Asturias with honors. Rangel C. Baron. Jennifer Joy Cutilan with honors. Angel Concepcion. Ronaline N. Corbes. Angelica L. Valerio with honors. Aaron John P. David with honors. Kai Aaron Thomas T. Durante with honors. Francis Joe R. Espiritu with honors. Ronnie C. Garcia with honors. Christine Joy C. Gato. John Angelo R.
graduate of class 2024 of State Your School, do declare my pledge of loyalty that I will be forever grateful to my dear alma mater. I will treasure the guidance and knowledge imparted to me by my teachers, with whom I indebted my knowledge and ideals, imbued with love for God, love for fellow men, love for nature, and love for the country. Hence, to be receptive to the call for positive social change, and to hold the dignity of my dear alma mater. So help me God.
Thank you very much. Dear graduates, we would like to remind you that wherever the wind takes you, remember that there are common beautiful experiences that bond you together. Do remember, you are always welcome here at SDO Caloocan, your second home.
And now, allow me to share a quote fitting of such a scenario. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. A line that is well said and would explain why the graduates have a lot to thank for. In fact, at this moment, they would like to extend their sincerest gratitude to all those who stood by them and have accompanied and supported them all the way with so much love and affection, and with the experience that they have gained throughout their journey.
The moments they have that elevated to the status of memories will truly transcend the past and present, and will become an integral part of their future. It's a feeling that transcends time and connects individuals, leaving an indelible mark on their hearts. To sing Adeline Hill's heartfelt and evocative song, Moments to Memories, as their song of celebration, ladies and gentlemen, our dear graduates.
Feel like the kings and queens.
not have been that meaningful and successful without the Lord's inspiration and guidance.
To our honored guests, once again, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks for the time you shared with us. We also would like to extend our heartfelt appreciation to all the teachers and staff and to those who gave their support and assistance to make this event a success.
And to the parents and graduates, congratulations once again.